In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize Squarespace SEO. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find Squarespace's built-in SEO tools, how to read your site's score, and how to use the guidance provided to make smart, meaningful improvements. Start by opening your Squarespace dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main navigation panel. Click Website. This takes you into the central area where you manage your site's structure and key settings. From here, look for the option labeled SEO and AIO. Go ahead and click SEO and AIO. AIO simply means all-in-one, and this is the hub that brings your search optimization insights and recommendations together. On this page, Squarespace shows you an SEO score for your website. Think of this score as a snapshot of overall health, not a final verdict. It's a quick way to understand whether you're in good shape or if there's room for improvement. Right below or alongside the score, you'll see a list of steps and tools you can use to improve that score. Squarespace curates these suggestions based on common best practices, so they're practical, relevant, and designed to be actionable for site owners at every level. Use this list as your roadmap. Read through each recommendation carefully to understand what it addresses and why it matters. Some suggestions may be more foundational, while others may be fine-tuning. Prioritize items that seem broadly impactful across your site before moving to smaller refinements. As you work through the guidance, keep in mind that SEO is cumulative. Small improvements add up, and consistency over time tends to produce the best results. It's normal for updates to take a little while to reflect in your score and in search performance. Search engines need time to crawl and index changes, so be patient and avoid chasing perfection. Aim for steady progress and clarity. When reviewing the recommendations, focus on accuracy, relevance to your audience, and an overall great user experience. Clear structure, descriptive content, and accessible design all support stronger search visibility. Consider revisiting this SEO and AIO area on a regular basis. Even a quick check-in helps you spot new opportunities and maintain momentum. Treat the score as a compass you can glance at, then use the suggestions as your checklist for continuous improvement. That's all there is to it. Click Website on the left, then click SEO and AIO, review your SEO score, and use the suggested steps and tools to guide your optimizations. Keep refining, stay consistent, and you'll set your site up for long-term search success.